Hello ladies and gentlemen, it's wingsoverglades, and well, this is a video about me shooting at Trail Glades down here in Florida. That's a nice shooting range, and so yeah, in a moment the screen's gonna shatter and you're gonna see me holding a gun, so bye!
I just figured my little got TV like that are just pretty unfortunately, that's where you stuck. In that case, I'll let him lead me into the fire. Shoot it up.
Hey guys, sorry for any background noise. So yeah, after all that shooting, here's the target. Shut up, Big Red! And yeah, I actually got a couple shots right there in the center. And it is at 150 feet or 50 yards. So yeah, bye.